You've reached Roseville Mustang Parts. I will be on this channel. I will be telling you about things to look for on buying a classic Mustang. Also, I have a retail store in Roseville, California. I will answer questions. If you've never owned a classic Mustang before, you're in for a real treat and a learning experience. You're looking at my store in Roseville, California. I have a lot of used parts, a lot of new parts. There's a lot of things that you need to learn when having a classic car. Everybody's used to getting in their car with fuel injection and electronic ignition and all that stuff, computer controlled. The 65 through 68 Mustangs are not electronic by any means. They're all mechanical. And if you don't know and never owned a classic car, there may be some situations that you get yourself into that you will never know about, like starting a Mustang early in the morning when it's cold. Maybe the choke doesn't come on, or maybe the timing's not right, things like that. Anyhow, check back and I'll have all kinds of videos for you to help you out through your journey having classic Mustangs. Thank you for coming to my channel.